our new video. Today we're gonna show you how to create an APK file so that you can give it to Google Store, Huawei App Store, and also the one you can give to your friends, like maybe on WhatsApp, and tell them to install that APK on their own phones, right? I'm gonna first come here and find maybe home, then I go and click on and say big. I'm gonna just say big APK, right? That's what we're gonna name one of the folders, big APK, right? Once you create that folder, there's nothing into the folder, right? After doing that, then we're gonna say okay. We're gonna go to Android Studio. We open Android Studio. We're gonna go to our terminal. In this case we're using what they call Ubuntu, and if you're using a different operating system, it's the same thing as long as you have Android Studio. So I'm gonna say cd to documents, and then after that say there's no file like that, documents, right? Documents. Okay, we're gonna say cd to /documents. Okay, no directory like that, I don't know what it means. Okay, cd to do. Okay, documents. Okay, we there, then we ls, then we wanna cd to this file called Android. I don't want any misspelling, they're gonna make me some crazy cd and it will take a lot of your time. Cd to that. Okay, then you ls, then you cd to this guy. Okay, cd to that guy, then we ls means we're listing whatever in the file where we are. After that we look at bin, cd to bin, then you ls, then we want this file, right? We're gonna get this one. We're starting our Android Studio. Then after there you're gonna say dash dot /, then you put the file name, then you say enter. After putting the enter, then you start your file. Okay, it's starting what they call Android Studio, right? Okay, well, that's super good. We're finishing. It's processing. It's done. So once it's done, then it's easier that we're gonna start building our APK, creating our APK. Okay, well, what we're gonna do, you go to build, then you look for generate using bundle APK, generate signed bundle APK. Click there, then you select APK, then you say next. Then there Keystore. Okay, that's the one we have. And then what we do here, we create new. Okay, once we say create new, this we can make it 2 because we did already something. And store path. Okay, let me see, where do you want to do this? I'm gonna chase out of here, and we go to home. We're gonna go home. Once we go home, we look for a folder. Let me see, folder. Okay, we wanted to say folder home. Okay, right, home. Okay, my APK, there's my APK here, and we created big APK there. Nothing good there. No, we leave that here for now. We leave this here. It's okay. Home, my APK. Okay, then we're gonna say what we're gonna do, we're gonna say we're gonna give it a password. You're gonna confirm the password. Okay, they want the password again. Then you confirm the password. This you can leave it the way it is. Then here you can put your name, Henry Birmingham. Organization is gonna say BBC 1, BBC A, organization BBC, VIS, whatever, VCC. A city you're gonna say Birmingham. Then it's a province, you're gonna say Birmingham. Then you can say whatever, 440011. Then you say okay. Once we do that, okay, we go to the next screen. What do you do? Existing, new, whatever. We can do that when you click here. Let me see, I wanna see something here, guys. Okay, leave that the way it is. Okay. We clicked new. Okay, put the same password. Same password. Same password. Here we said 1. Okay. We said 2. Confirm. Let me see, cancel here. Remember this, whatever. So this is what I did. Yes, right? Okay. Why do I have to? Okay. Let me not confuse you. Where we are is where we are. Password, whatever. Password. Then you say next. Okay. What we do? You select both of these. Okay. Here you have to be very aware. Once you click here, you never be able to take this to send it to WhatsApp to your friends. It's better you select both of them. After that you say finish. After finishing, that APK is gonna come. It's gonna show you that it's done. Right? There are two. That's why you can see locate, analyze APK. Locate. This is the release and this is the debug. If I locate this one, okay, and I say copy, okay, listen, you're gonna see the difference. I'm gonna say move to trash, copy to, let me say desktop. Okay, let me say desktop and say select. Okay, so let me get you here. Do you see anything? There's nothing there on desktop. But then when I click here, locate, this one, I can go to, yeah, this is the prom here. Say home. Let's go back here. There's a problem here. If you say, okay, you can see, you see this, right? Debug, you can see, right? Then say copy, and you can see you can't copy that. So but the first one you saw that you can copy here. The first one is the best to copy. I can copy it on, or it says no, it's okay, no problem. But then let me see. Okay, I can copy this. Let me try to get somewhere, to go to somewhere. Two of them, one of them sometimes is not, you cannot copy it. Okay, so I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna come. Something disturbed here. I'm gonna come and paste it somewhere here. I wanted to do list. I'm gonna paste here. It says no, right? And we're gonna come and we get this one, whereby we get debug, because we want the one which we can copy to our thing, our folder. Yeah, right. One, you see this one, you can copy it to the folder. Which one did we use? The second one, we used it. So this one, I can now send it to WhatsApp to my friends, right? So I can open any WhatsApp, then I send it to my friends, maybe whatever, whoever I want to send to, I can send it. You get me? So everything you want, you can do that. That's the way, guys, to create an APK. So this one you can send it to people, and people can do what they call they can install them using WhatsApp, like when you give them that. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. I hope this helps, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Let me see you in the next video, guys.